So in our project Nama MSME, we are basically targeting MSMEs. So they provide 31% employment second after agriculture. And the issue they face is cash crunch. So whenever a MSME files for GST, then suppose government return back the GST for asking them for more GST amount, then that gets hidden in a hidden compartment in government website, and they get DRC 01 notice for that, and for that they have to reply with DRC 06 notice. And the most people usually miss that, and if they miss that, they have to give some deposit and then again apply for redemption in court, and all those process takes a lot of time and toll. So they can't focus on this. So we are solving this problem of GST. So let's go to our website. So here a person can see all the GSTs they have filed previously, and the money they if they upload their slips and everything, and the money that they can get from everyone else. So all this all the history, what how much GST they gave, how much money they will be getting, they can see in this website. Now suppose they want to add a document so that they can analyze and get so when we add a already present document, so the document gets so we use Servant Doc Intelligence to parse this and extract relevant information regarding the GST amount and all those things, and the document loading takes some time. So after this, a report will be generated regarding where they have to pay this money to whom, and and how much money, how much days are left, and the entire history. And as I said before, they have to file DR06 file. So for that, they won't know what to file. So for that, we have already pre-filled a few things so that they can use. So as you can see, this is the where. So they have to pay this much money, this much time is this much money, this much time is left, and to this office. And here it's the entire format of what we already have in government portal. They can just simply copy it here and paste it in the portal and get required information. You see all this information they can directly get. Okay, so now going to the next feature. Yeah, so now they can open their GST returns for this month. Suppose they have paid this much tax, this much is late fees, and all the history of conversations. And if they have any doubt, they can directly go and ask the chatbot about the relevant information. You see, so it will now generate whatever response is there. So yeah, they got the right answer for this. So we are also preserving our memory feature here. So it can also remember conversations from past, which help us to store the memory, and we can extract this memory properly and use at relevant places. Yeah, you see. Yeah, thanks. You can see this.